Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Mehak
And this is Mehreen. Let me introduce myself. I have a mouth. Thank you very much. Now let's continue.
so I'm gonna do 3x spicy today because you all suggested me to go for it in the last video because I tried 2x spicy in the last video and it was difficult. Now I'm gonna do this today and I'll see if I can do it. And she's also not sure if she can do it, but we'll try.
Now, as you all know, if you have seen our previous video, I've said this multiple times, but I love spicy. So I enjoy eating spicy food, but I am like really not sure about this one. Like I don't know if I would be able to handle this one. So let's hope for the best. Fingers crossed, and let's go for it.
Let's get into the video and we'll cook this first.
So here we are with the noodles, and let's assemble them.
हमारे noodles आ चुके हैं
हमारे noodles आ चुके हैं
and उसने boil करके लाया है. And again, this sauce we have to pour it in the noodles.
Okay, I forgot इसको क्या बुलाते हैं in last
Seaweed.
No, seaweed, but like in Korea and there in East now, people call this something. It's called ends or something. I don't know, but it's called something. And I don't know what for they top it with this, but there's absolutely no taste. Even the sesame seeds now,
Just to make it look like it's a little healthy.
Yeah, I know, right?
Which it's not, definitely.
So let's serve. Okay, so like the last time I was being very kind to you and I was like कि चलो थोड़ा
Yeah,
सा
so
डालते
last
हैं.
time what she did is उसने मुझे कम दिया because she thought कि मुझे खाए नहीं जाएगा.
I was just bestowing my mercy upon you.
But I completed the challenge. I had it all.
And you lost it.
No, I
Yes, you
actually
did.
had it.
You lost it. Okay, heck. You lost it.
I kind of have the confidence right now because I did the last one now, so I don't think this should be very difficult for me.
Okay, let's see. I'll give us both even amount now this time. Last time तो तेरी फट गई थी उतना ही खाते खाते. अब तू मेरे को ये खा के दिखा.
ठीक है.
Let me first give it Koli and then let's put the extra.
गिरा मत नीचे. So last time क्या हुआ था उसका सारा जो सॉस है वो सब नीचे था तो उसने लास्ट वाला पार्ट लिया तो आई थिंक उसको ज़्यादा स्पाइसी लगा बट शी नॉट इवन react.
Okay, I am taking the last part over here. Here, guys, this bowl is mine, and I'm taking the last wala part. It has a lot of sauce, and I'm challenging myself to my limit.
And you're also giving it to me, right?
Yeah, I did.
Okay, so this time it's all equal.
Yeah, but I'm still being kind of kind. I'm not giving you the last part.
Yeah, so you just did. You just said that you did.
No, I didn't. I'm giving this to myself.
So should we start?
Babe, no. I think I have less. Give me some more.
No, I'm not giving.
Give me thoda.
No, I'm not giving.
You're
बस ना कितना भर
You're not going to eat.
No, I'm not giving.
Give me
that. So we are gonna start now.
Okay, do you want to put a timer?
No. इतना भी challenging नहीं.
Okay, let's.
पानी लाई?
I got milk.
हाँ, I got my bottle. Okay, let's start.
Let's start.
Lips पे spicy लग रहा है.
Did you use chapstick on your lips before? Yeah, you did. Don't worry, you're safe.
Still spicy.
You know the last time we were doing 2x spicy? The first time I had first bite now, it wasn't spicy back then.
This one is now?
Yeah, 3x like it's hitting right from the first bite. Okay, so now we are not talking anymore. Okay? Bismillah. It's there.
You have no idea how I'm controlling this.
Imagine, अगर मुझे spicy लग रहा है, I can imagine how spicy it must be for you. I'm speaking right now. Fine.
feels like I'm burning inside. Ouch.
Use another tissue now. Spicy. It's too spicy.
By the way,
Don't speak. I'm telling you.
this is the first time we're doing 3 spicy as both. Something is happening in my ears. You know, मूवी से दिखा था ना that was steam आती है. It actually feels like that.
Was this a competition?
I don't know.
Because I see myself winning again.
I can't
You
compete
can,
right
you
now. I'm dying.
Mama.
It is really very spicy.
I can't even speak.
Not even this much of exaggeration.
Ready? You can cook.
This won't be a competition then.
I win.
I don't care.
I win. You lose. Oh.
Almost.
Give me my protein shake.
No, wait, you have to
No,
wait.
no,
for me.
why
You
should
have to
I
wait
wait
for me. You have to wait
No,
for me.
I can't wait. This is not fair.
No. You have to wait for me.
Give me some.
No.
Matter what, I'm gonna die.
You want to wait for me.
Shut up. Mama, you feel so nice right now. This is a risky job, bro. It was very risky. I'm very worried for you, Mahek. Just bring that milk jaldi, sir.
Done. My lips are burning. It's like my digestive system is on fire. Like I've literally.
I just want to poop.
Cold milk. Never do this. Don't do this
You
to your
know,
stomach.
I'm so stupid. I was like, 2x मेरे लिए कुछ भी नहीं था. 3x would be like easy. Like 2x was easy peasy lemon squeezy. I thought 3x would be like थोड़ा सा difficult, challenging, but it won't be this difficult. I mean, I never expected for me, huh? I never expected it to be this difficult. Then I was like, I was thinking, I was like, कि चलो we'll do that Jojo chip challenge.
Jolo.
Yeah, that Jolo chip challenge, and that is like the spiciest chip in the world. So I was like, let's give it a shot. After this, अगर ये जमा तो like we can do that also. अभी इतनी फटी है ना, like I cannot even dare to do that. I don't know how this girl did it. I mean, इसके लिए she was tested up to her very extent. Like her saturation is done.
This is lethal. Don't.
And I don't want to test my saturation. So like we are.
My lips are burning. Like literally, it feels.
But you
like,
did use chapstick, na?
Yeah, but it's still burning. I feel like किसी ने मेरे मुंह पे HCl डाला है. I mean, like lips पे.
I understand.
No, it feels like मेरे पेट का HCl बाहर इससे फिर से मुंह में आ गया है.
Please. No, listen to me. We don't really want your biology jokes. Not today. Please, save me. And save the rest of them, okay?
Proof के लिए दिखाया था मैंने पहले भी, but दोनों खाली.
But again, as always, I won, guys.
there
Who
was
am I?
no winning. Okay, it's not
I
a
am
competition.
legend. I am legendary. Just shut up.
There's no competition.
There is competition.
No.
In my. I'm a very competitive person. Like, I just want to compete for no reason. But I won. People love me for winning. Don't you guys love me? Am I not sweet?
So that's it for today, guys. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Like, share, and subscribe. Highlighted. Okay. And tell me what you want me to do next, because lately there have been so many food videos in my channel. So tell me, give me more other ideas, and I'll see you next time.
Am I not sweet?
हाँ ऊपर लाए
मम्मा आधा खत्म पूरा दूध का ये खत्म कर दिया.
दूध पूरा खत्म कर दिया. मम्मा इज लाइक दूध का भगोना कहाँ गायब करे. भगोना भी just said भगोना.
कब से बंद था वो? I was speaking like an idiot. What did I miss?
I'm sorry.
I was just presenting you. What is this arm chori? What is this arm chori? Why are you touching my body?
So that's it for today, guys.
Sorry. Cut this. Give me more tissue.
वो मैंने यूज किया तो.
You want to die? You want to die? Literally die. Oh, तेरा tissue हो गया.
Ew.
Look, guys, I'm literally having cold right now. Okay, मुझे सर्दी है फिर भी I have tried this. Okay, so every ounce of mucus, every ounce of mucus in my nose wants to get out. Okay. You're so gross. So let me know if you want me to start a YouTube channel.
Keep your mucus tissue down.
It is not mucus wala tissue. It is nice tissue. It is a nice. What? It is a nice. It is a nice tissue. This is the mucus tissue. This is the mucus tissue. This is the mucus tissue. अभी वापस करना पड़ेगा महक. If I say it one more time, I'll be embarrassed to my core.
Like, share, and subscribe.
करो यार, थोड़ा तो करो.